Hello and welcome to chapter 2, lecture number 2. So in this video we're going to download Blender. So what we will do is we type in blender.org and we arrive on this front page. So there's a lot of information on this page, but what we need to do is click on download Blender 2.81a. So maybe there is a newer version, but everything above 2.81a will be fine. So you can also go to download and you get this other page. When you scroll down, you will see there are experimental versions. And if you really want the latest things, the newest release of Blender, you can download a 2.82 alpha. It will have new things, new experimental things, but I can recommend we go back to go for the stable. I work in the stable, so let's click it. So we'll now download Blender, and that will take around 1 minute. It depends on your internet connection, and it's 127 megabytes in size, and that's really small for a 3D program. So it's finished. We click it and we go to extract this. So we click next and we accept the terms. You can read it, but it's just random information. And there we go. And you can select the color. I just leave this for default, but if you want to have a different location, it's up to you. But I just keep this. So we click install, and that's what you get this warning. Won't take really long, maybe 1 minute as well, if you have a very slow machine. But I'm working on a pretty fast one. So we wait. If I compare this with Photoshop or a different program, and it takes so long. Blender is just like finished in a second. There you go. All right, so we are finished, and you can now start Blender. So what I do is just type in Blender and click it, and there it is. So because I already installed Blender, you can see my previous versions. Well, what I will do is, so you go to edit to preference, and you can see, let's the key navigation. That's a very important one. You can decide the main tools. So if you want to have left or right click, or the space bar if you want to have the search or the play animation. I prefer to have search things, the search bar. But if you are really into animation, I'm not covering that topic in this course, but then you should go for the play. So you definitely want left click, because that's a new option. And the previous versions, before 2.8, everything was right click, so that's a huge change. But we're working with a left click. All right, that's pretty much it. And I see you in the next lecture, number 3. Bye-bye.